ask you your question. If you were to become an animal, what animal would you like to be and why?
An amphibian.
Amphibian.
Oh.
What particular amphibian, any?
Because an amphibian is an animal that can live both on land and water.
Oy, ganda. So you like to be a frog?
Yeah, I like to be a frog.
Ay, sa dako nga. Sa balon galing. Ayan, ganda. Okay, give me another example of an amphibian.
Another frog.
Ganda. What about another example you have? Never mind. Okay, thank
Ito
you.
sabihin tadpoles, para marami.
Oo, para props din yun. Salamat.
Thank
Arigato.
you.
Okay. Miss Ria Mori Locsin Jr. Okay, ikaw naman, so?
Our contestant number 2, our candidate number 2.
Excited.
Miss Africa.
Oh, wala pang
Miss-
tawag. Appear niya. Okay.
Ang iyong tanong ay, kung mamamatay ka bukas, bakit hindi pa ngayon? Ay, mali, hindi pala ito. Sorry, no, I will answer that question.
Because today is not tomorrow, but if you're in a hurry, go ahead. I will follow.
Naku, parang
ganon.
may mananalong. Naku, dadaanin sa takot.
Yes, eto na talaga yung tanong mo, mahirapan kita. Do you believe that there are gays in the animal kingdom? Ba't puro animal ang pinag-uusapan dito?
Di
If
ba
so,
sa Alimango meron, di ba? Eh sa ano pa, rest of the kingdom.
and if so, what animal is this and why?
Oh my God.
Oh,
Would you like to repeat the question for me one more time, please? And I'm sorry.
okay. Do you...
You are from Africa pa naman? Is many safari? Oh.
Do you believe that there are gays in the animal kingdom? If so, what animal is this and why?
Now I understand the question. Thank you so much. Well, I believe that there are homosexuals in the animal kingdom, and I would believe that it would be the first front line of the planets, the monkeys.
Why?
Because they love banana. Me too, I love banana. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh, Miss, ang laswa, ano? Okay. Candidate number 3, Miss Korea.
So here's your question.
Parang, alam mo, Chok, nakakatakot para may tama. Tamo.
May something.
We people from Korea always happy.
I'm
Okay.
so afraid.
Here's your question. Can you say something about United Nations?
Para after a while,
I
nakaka-irita.
would like to give you a trivia about United Nations. United Nations is composed of different nations. And they speak a lot of languages. So for me, United Nations is the best nation among the nation.
May pagkasunga.
May sariling mundo, Megan.
Kakanri ka, girl. Oo. Okay, enjoy
Thank you very
yourself
much.
in your world, wherever you are. Miss Tyra Banks, Miss USA.
Diba? Naka-green ka pa.
Ay,
Miss USA.
talaga naman napanindigan. Oh, to think, ay, talaga naman. Okay. Miss Banks, my question for you is, what do you think is the best part of your body? And why?
I guess the best part of my body is my neck.
Why?
Because the neck holds the head, which will wear the crown later tonight. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
Please,
very much. Candidate number 4.
Yes.
Neck mo.
please go away. Okay, and so,
Our candidate number 5.
Miss Italy La Vivora. Vivora. Okay. If you were in the Garden of Eden, who would you punish? Adam, Eve, or the serpent?
None of the above.
Oh.
Na-offende sa tanong ko.
I'd like to inform everybody that I'm half Chinese. I'm going to teach Adam and Eve not to eat the fruit. Instead, sell the fruit and eat the serpent.
Ay, ang ganda! Diba?
Nakakatuwa ang mga
Okay
sagot
lang kasi
nito,
ang
mga to.
Chinese. Daddy ko kumakain na noon eh.
Correct.
Okay.
Nako, Mega. Ito na, malalaman na natin.
Kung sino sa kanilang tatanghaling Miss K Mega Galactica 2008. Babalik pa po ang